a chorizo tortilla with rice, egg, and cheese. And they are beautiful. Come on! Oh, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on! Hello, and welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I am the owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, we are making chorizo tortillas with cheese, egg, and rice. And they are beautiful. Heat the butter in a non-stick or cast iron saute pan over medium heat. Add onions and cook until tender for about 5 minutes. Then add chorizo to brown with the seasonings of the salt and the pepper. Once the chorizo has browned, add the rice and incorporate well. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs until well blended. Add the eggs to the pan with the chorizo mixture, spreading evenly. Top with cheese, then cover with a tortilla and tuck it in like a nice blankie. Make sure nothing is sticking to the pan by gently using a spatula or a fork. Please make sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, and comment on the Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and the website, all under the name of sportschicagostyle.com. And if you would like to email, please do so at sportschicagostyle@gmail.com. Using a plate for assistance, flip the pan over to turn your tortilla. Give the pan a quick wipe to remove any of the food debris. Then place the tortilla back into the pan, tortilla side down, and fold in half. While that side is toasting, rotate the tortilla a quarter turn every few minutes to make sure it is evenly toasted. After about 5 to 6 minutes, flip the tortilla to toast the other side, rotating as you did before. Once toasted to your preference, remove from the pan. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.